السلام ورحمة الله وبركاته. Okay, God willing, in this lesson you are going to learn some important phrase with which you can be making your daily communication, conversation with your friends, relatives and others, insha'Allah ta'ala. First, the word atini means give me. Give me. What?
So give me a pen will mean atinil qalam.
MashaAllah. It is correct.
Takbir.
Barakallahu fiqh. Atini al-qalam will mean give me a pen. So you can say atini al-kitab, give me a book. Atini al-kursi, give me a chair. Atini al-mimsaha, give me a duster. Atini daftari, give me my exercise book. Atini mistarati, give me my ruler. etc. That is it. هل من سؤال? Any question?
Sayyid, how do we say take in Arabic?
Take. Okay. Take means khuz. Simply say khuz. For example, you can say khudil qalam. Khuzil qalam will mean take the pen. Khuzil kitab, take the book. Khuz qalam al-rassas, take the pencil. Khuz hakibatak, take your bag. Khuz kursiyak, take your chair, and the rest. Okay, in addition to that, if you want to say please in Arabic, you say min fadlik. Min fadlik.
Min fadlik.
Again?
Min fadlik.
That is good. So we can have min fadlik atinil kitab. Please give me a book. Min fadlik atini al-haqiba. Please give me a bag, and the rest. Take a look at this very sentence. It says ما معنى book في العربية. ما معنى book بالعربية, which means what is the meaning of book in Arabic. So anytime you want to ask me a question, you ask using this phrase by saying ما معنى mat بالعربية, which means what is the meaning of mat in Arabic. So you also ask question in Arabic, inshallah ta'ala. ما معنى goat بالعربية. ما معنى school بالعربية. You may also say كيف أقول I am hungry بالعربية, which will mean كيف أقول, how do I say I am hungry بالعربية in Arabic. كيف أقول where are you going بالعربية will mean what or how do I say where are you going in Arabic. So make the class an Arabic class where you speak Arabic always, even if you're asking question. Okay. Okay. Let us stop here for today, as we shall move on in our next class, inshallah ta'ala. Wassalamu alaikum.
مساء الخير. مساء النور. من فضلك ما اسمك يا أختي؟
اسمي سكينة بنت عبد الرحمن.
كيف أنت يا سكينة؟ أنا بخير شكرا. ما معنى كلاس بالعربية؟ فصل. ما معنى student بالعربية؟ طالب. كيف أقول how is market بالعربية؟ كيف التجارة؟ كيف التجارة؟ كيف أقول give me my bag بالعربية؟ أعطني كتابي. شكرا يا أختي. الشكر لله.